Good morning, my beardies. How is everybody doing? It is a nice, beautiful day outside. So we're gonna come out here in the garage, maybe do some work on some stuff. I don't know yet. I did something, and that something is got some HeyBike Villains coming in, so I'm upgrading from the TWO to some HeyBike Villains. The poor TWO is getting traded off. It's going bye-bye. And we'll upgrade to the HeyBike Villains. I heard those are supposed to be some really cool bikes. So we're going to test those out and see how those are. I'm very excited about it. Very excited. And then I think what I'm going to do when we do get them is one of them's going to get wrapped. And oh man, I do have a wrap in mind. I'm not going to say, but if we do wrap it, you guys will get a video of it and it will be mint. Oh, I can't wait. Bike should be here Tuesday. Got 2 of them coming. So, HeyBike Villains, get ready because RedBeard Moto is coming. Oh yeah, we're gonna put these bikes to the test. I've had 0 problems with the TWO. Only one thing that I don't like about the TWO is the seat isn't very comfortable, especially if you're out on a long ride. It will hurt your ass. It will make your ass sore. Other than that, I did push the TWO as far as I could go on it on a full charge battery, which was, I think it was 26.1, 26.2 miles or something like that I got out on the TWO on a full charge battery. So, and that was all stock. That's not bad at all, honestly. So, yeah. There's that. So whenever I get the bikes in, we will have a video of us unboxing it and testing them out, and then we're gonna hit the trails with them and go have some fun. But since it's nice enough out today, actually I might just load the bike up in the four-wheeler over there and just go for a ride. We've had some crazy weather lately. Friday we had some severe thunderstorms roll through. We had a tornado touchdown outside of town here. And we had some hail. That was crazy. Crazy. And I'm over here. I can't even hold this thing still. I keep turning it all over the place. My bad, guys. My bad. I'm not the professional at holding stuff like this. I don't know what I'm doing. I just make the videos, and the wife does all the hard work for me. If you are subscribed, shout out to you guys for being the subscribers. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Give us a like, give us a comment. Let us know what we should be doing next. And have a good day. I love you guys. Peace out, my beardies.